पणजे सांतिनेज घोवान बायलेचो खून केलो म्हूण बोवाळ पडला। मूळ यूपीचो तळगाव रावपी कन्स्ट्रक्शन लेबर विष्णू उमाशंकर वर्मान ताची बायल रुखसार पठाणाचो चाकू तोपून खून केलो। जोडपेतांचे 4 वर्सांचे चलये सयत सांतिनेज बिराडाक रावताली। कर्म केल्या उपरांत विष्णून खंय चलयेक घेवन फुज्ज्यो काडल्यो। पुलीस ताका सोदतात। पुलिसांनी स्पॉटावेल्यान चाकू आनी मोबायल जप्त केला।
We received information at about 10:30-11 that there is a dead body of a female lying in the room, and accordingly we rushed with the team. We have seen that the deceased was staying with her husband 5 days back. They had come from UP, and eyewitnesses have seen that the husband of the deceased ran away with the child in the morning, and they found the deceased in the pool of blood. They registered a case of murder. Body shifted to GMC for post-mortem examination to ascertain the exact cause of death. Accused is absconding. We have got a photograph, and all the border checkposts, railway stations, bus stands have all been. Our people are been deployed there to trace the accused.
घेऊया एक कमर्शियल ब्रेक।